it's Gina with WTI. And when I fly, I like to be able to control where I place my device so that I can watch it at the most comfortable and convenient angle for me. That's one reason that I got this mini magnetic phone holder from MCCHJoy. So this is small, compact, which is great when you're traveling because you don't want something that's bulky and takes up a lot of room or is very heavy. And this is lightweight, but it does the job so well. The magnet on this is strong and it was able to support my phone just fine. This has magnets on both sides. I do have a MagSafe iPhone, but because my case blocks the magnet on my phone, I just use the adhesive magnet ring that comes with this holder, and that worked really perfectly. So whether you want to hang it on the back of the seat in front of you, put it on the tray table, or somewhere else, you're going to love this. It's perfect for your flight, and that's my point of view.